The CEO at the studio, he presented on Amkasi TV, Ilomchi to publish a Red Bull. Yeah, but Niazi, the Donamka issue. So apparently, I think in a background, sound background. Apparently, event is always a meeting Donamka TV, Culture Corner, our aim to support local artists, to pay more support, more recognition, like Umsebenzo Abuti. Shooting, but the look isn't as ambiguous. So my worry, because of I'm also upcoming artist. So my worry, even to say my organizer, Papumi poster, Papuma, promote the poster. So my poster, they will start from this category. So when they go to okay, Kankadeo, event is to the Malakana. So easy before call event. Agnaban, in a sound effect. Even a man, event like Linda or the usual quota my event to party. The way my brother Maconi audience, I'm full of shoot, I'm full of president, I'm full of president. I don't think I'll even upload the show because of I think after Nyavaya face after not good Nyavaya after la Nyashada, send the support in a personal but the way it into the Zagalangakona, I don't think I will shoot and upload the video. So Iwariami Ila is inking a igu. Iguma ati for Rabanta Bazobugera, people that support the show because of if my Puma, the Puma line up your artist. I don't think it is. I fight for a corner. I will be a corner. If that's a corner, but I'm a artist as a can figure man, you understand? And we are saying entertainment street, everybody Abadana, but social class is Abadana. So, Umuzo Musekeni Ubu audience or Ubuma artist because of 50-50 and another thing. Event so event a hotama artist wepai. Sometimes you have an amakwal. That which Michael and which is supporter or so I don't know what in the one we upload a video because of every under Amkasi TV push you no good is for support and you wanna make sure which is page by so I'm so you calculate and get paid up. I'm a that's what I'm gonna not even if I'm a total pagami is a nice platform but now for a country so I don't know but to me now in my motion all I can say is Satoran Kuga about supporting the local Abubuti, Mauna event is attending the money. Let's support local. I'm not in my event. In the channel, you don't have to see me. You go on at a friend, you don't know what I'm an entertainment at a friend, Mastandi, hip hop, get even for the session. So let us support Kati talent. Make a artist buffet. I said the Duxelana buffet. If you Faga, I'm not going to Faga, we want. If any I bought put in that cylinder, and understand. Sinama artist wasekhathini one, sorry. Sinama artist wasekhathini one. I think we need to unite and understand. Sibambane to the point ukuthi asisekeleni nalento okuthanda imali, ukwenza imali ngamanye ama-artist. Asibambane, let us unite and be one, bafethu. To everyone osupport Intwana Yami Kasi TV, ngicela ukuthi shout out every subscriber, every liker, wonke umuntu nalabo abakhomentayo bafethu, I really appreciate. Bese ngisho ukuthi Intwana Yami Kasi TV sizoqhubeka sisupporte the local. That's why, because local is lekela, angeke siyeke sili recognition izibonakala. So ngena kulawo ma-event lawo, thola ama-interviews kulawo ma-artist, nama-artist yawabonga cause njengoba ngisho ukuthi siyafelana soda, kuba namabhizi nami ngiyokufika sole ngifuna i-interview artist leave promises. So shout out to leyo artist evumayo, leyo event organizer, manicala ngithi ngiphusha into ezongicela ukuthi athi vele niyabona bafethu sekusesuku ngizocima mina amakhamera ningakhohlwa #road to 50 subscribers. Mina ngumise i-CEO yasestudio, present Intwana Yami Kasi TV, yilo mtshito publicity Red Bull, akuthi noma ubani otopa ngemali ejoni. Ngiyabonga bafethu.